My wife had better tell you about it.
All right, well, she has to also tell us about the Gott Wing, this whole building that we're in. Yes, we have to know about that. How did it get that name?
Well, that was, Gott was my maiden name, and so that's how this got to have that name. However, one day I came down after not having been here at the Ice House for quite a bit, and I saw this appendage on the building, and I said to Bill, "What is that?" And he said, "Oh, Mom, I needed some more space," and so I forgot, and I put it.
And just put it on.
We just went ahead and did it, and it tickled all my friends as well as Bill. So because I was so huffy about the whole thing that I didn't know, and anyhow. Bill got the sign made for the Gott Wing because he decided, and my friends, that they were really going to rub it in. And then one of my very best friends did a piece of needlepoint. And can you see this?
The Harriet Gott Wing with a car on it.
Yes. And this was, of course, to be hung in this part of the building. And she, like everybody else, the girl who did this, just were in hysterics over Huffy me. And anyhow, that's the way it got named.
A beautiful piece of needlepoint. And